Welcome to our Get Your Tailored AI design tool. For today, we will look into our collection plan feature. First, click on Create New Collection and enter a name for your collection. Click on Save. In our already prepared collection, you will right now see all the included product images. By clicking on Add New in the upper right corner, you are able to add different data to your collection. By clicking on one of them, you will be led to all of your existing data for this specific data group. Under each data, you will find an Add button, which allows you to add the chosen data to your collection. Thanks for watching our tutorial.